This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 TB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features a PARAGON interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 TB is 4,342 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.